Conversation, pharmacist, doctor, patient.
Good morning, can I help you? I want to buy medicine for sore throat and cough.
How many days have you felt sore throat and cough, and what medicine have you taken before?
The cough has been 3 days and sore throat was just yesterday. I haven't taken any medicine yet.
What does a throat complaint like this? And then a cough that feels dry or cracked.
The cough is dry and the throat is sore and itchy.
I'm sorry, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Wait a moment, please. I will get the medicine.
Okay.
Okay, Miss, I recommend Fix Formula 44 for cough and FG for sore throat. And how to use Fix Formula 44 is taken every 4 hours as needed and taken a maximum of 6 times a day, as much as 2 teaspoons. And how to use FG is taken 1 to 2 lozenges 4 to 5 times a day.
Okay, miss.
Is it clear how to use it, Miss? And is there anything you want to ask?
It's clear enough.
Okay, alright. If it's clear, and please make payment to the cashier.
Okay, thank you, miss.
Listen.
Excuse me.
Sit down, Miss.
Thank you.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, miss.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Agnes. We will examine you. I'm speaking to Miss Yosi, 20 years old from Umbul Harjo, right?
Yes, doctor, right.
What complaint do you feel, Miss?
I have a dry cough, doctor. Then my throat feels itchy and sore and it's hard to swallow. Then 2 days ago, my body had a fever.
How long you have been complaining, Miss? Have you taken medication before?
The cough has been for 7 days and I have been taking Vicks 44 since 3 days ago, but there is no change. Then the inflammation has been 3 days and already taking FK Troches.
Okay, Miss. I will check in first. After I checked the temperature, please 37 degrees Celsius. Do you have any drug allergies, Miss?
No, doctor.
I will give you a prescription for the medicine. Later you can get it the pharmacy.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Miss. I hope you get well soon.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. Excuse me, doctor.
Good evening. Can I help you?
I want to read within the doctor's prescription.
Please wait a moment, doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, I'm Pharmacy Kartini from Kartini Pharma. Is this really a Dr. Agnes office, Kenangan Street number 2?
Yes, that's right. This is Dr. Agnes.
Can I have a minute, please?
Yes, you can.
Okay, is this true that the patient, Miss Yosi, is 21 years old, address is Umbul Harjo, has inflammation, dry cough, and fever? Is doctor patient?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, for medicine cefixime and codeine in the prescription does not state the dosage. Usual dose cefixime is 100 and 200 milligrams. Usual dose codeine is 10, 15, and 20 milligrams. How many doses are allowed by the doctor?
For Cefixime, give a dose 200 milligram and codeine 15 milligram.
Okay, doctor. Thank you for the confirmation.
My pleasure.
On behalf of Miss Yosi,
Yes, it's me.
Miss Yosi, 21 years old, address is Umbul Harjo, sore, inflammation, dry cough, and fever.
Yes, right, miss.
For a total price, 105,000 can be paid at the cashier. Please wait a moment. We will prepare the medicine.
Okay.
On behalf of Miss Yosi,
Yes.
okay, Miss. This is antibiotic cefixime for inflammation. Taken twice a day after meals. Spare. This is codeine for dry cough. Taken 3 times a day after meals. And last is paracetamol for fever. Taken 3 times a day after meals. Is there anything you want to ask?
For drugs that have to be spent, only antibiotics, right, miss?
That's right. If just antibiotic, you must miss. It is better if after taking good medicine, you should not do outdoor activities because it can cause draw signs. Is it clear enough, miss?
Okay, miss, it's clear enough. Thank you.
My pleasure. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.